I'm really legit happy about this trailer. I'm happy that they already released it, and I'm hoping to have covered the light novels that are not yet covered in the previous anime. And pretty much, I like the design. They are really the same, almost the same with the light novel, which I really like. To be honest with you, she is beautiful. She is cute. I like her attitude, and this is very exciting. You know what I mean? You know it. I know it. Everyone's know this. Spice and Wolf won the best economics business and anime, manga, or light novel in the entire anime community or Japanese entertainment. I think. And I really like it.
これも何かの縁だ。
Especially their interaction. Yeah, especially their interaction. Their banter between these two people. The banter of these two people.